Hey everybody, welcome back. I found one of these championship collections at Walgreens, and I did some of the other mystery boxes. I don't know if these are from same people. I believe they are. Looks very similar. So this is 3 sealed packs, 1 factory sealed fat pack, 30 assorted cards. So I don't know if that's just saying what's in the, I don't know, or sort. Oh, I guess we'll see. But I did do a video of 2 of the mystery boxes. I thought those were pretty cool, and I saw one of these, so I had to pick it up. $19.99. Let's just see. Is it worth it? I believe the mystery boxes, they're definitely worth it. And right there, 4 packs. I mean, if you say $5 each, which you buy, that's $20. So right there, there's money right there. So let's take a look. I might have to cut that open. Let's see here. All right. Here we go. Kind of slice that. All right. Let's see. Is this going to be even cooler than the mystery? So it looks like maybe you get some Gypsy Kings, some older tops, maybe some chrome. So yeah. All right. So I was surprised with the mystery boxes I got that they already had the 2020 cards in there, which I wasn't gonna get. I got enough cards, but I was happy to get those, so I did get to open them up just to see some of those. All right. Here's the content of this. I don't know what to expect from these besides just packs. Maybe get something awesome. Who knows? This must be our 30 random cards. So here's our Topps 2021. Oops. We have our Stadium 2021. We have here's our Fat Pack, the Baseball Series 1 2022, and then a regular Series 1. Okay, so what do we do? Do we go packs, then random, assorted? I think we'll do packs, then we're going to do this, because, you might get some, I don't know, whatever. Let's do 5 cards. I want to say that might be, we're going to do boom, boom, this one, that one, fat pack, then that. Show, yeah. Or, let's just do this, that. All right. Don't really matter. Here we go. 2000. All right. Let's put it right there. Yep. Back to, instead of my other videos, back to teeny names. Come on. That's a little better, but you gotta be able to see the names at a glance. There we go. All right. We're just gonna go. Flex here. Just gonna go through these quick. Don't I see? It's so hard to pick up the names because the writing's so small. And come on. So sorry. Ooh, what is this? Yeah. Look at that. Roberto Clemente. That's a cool car right there. Put him over here. Of course, I always get Clayton Kershaw. And finally, there we go. Finally get to add a Twins to the Twins wall. All right, let's open this up. 5 cards in this one. We're expecting greatness from this one right here. So the stadium. All right. Put that right there. Let's check these out. Okay. Justin Verlander. And what is that? Yeah. That virtual reality Shane Bieber. All right. Let's see here. Now we're going with this next here. The 2022. All right. Well, like I said, let's go through them quick. Kurt Suzuki. All right. Brian De La Cruz. All right. See, finally go back to you can see the names. Yeah. Martin Perez. All right. It's the Slugger reunion. All right. It's making me flip these cards back and forth, back and forth. Bryce Harper. All right. Flip it again. Oh, here's another 35. Got Chipper Jones, I believe, out of one of the mystery boxes. Always like those. And here we go. Ooh, what is this here? What is... Oh! As a Twins. That's a Byron Buxton, baby. All right. We're sleeving Byron up. Stars of MLB. Byron Buxton. Finally. Going, haven't hit any Twins for a while. Finally getting some Twins. If I can sleeve up Byron here into the top loader. All right. All right. Sorry about that. Slide that down. Byron Buxton. All right. Here we go. Here's our factory sealed fat pack. Here we go. All right. Oh, look at that. Alex. All right. It's going to make me flip these cards 4 times. All right. All right. Flip again. Gonna be another 3 more times now. There we go. Shane Bieber. There we go. There's gonna be another 2 more times now. There we go. Aaron Judge. Always give me an Aaron Judge. Max Kepler. Throw him up, Max. Going Twins. Here we go. Ooh, look at that throwback socks. There's Shane Bieber again. 35 anniversary. Shane Bieber. The Cleveland Guardians. Oh. Too bad he's a Dodger now. Look at that, 2 of them. Alex Bergman. All right. Okay, 1 more time to be flipping, I guess. Jeez. That better be it now. Oh, Eddie Rosario. That's right. Used to be on Twins. All right. Gonna go through these quick. Miguel Cabrera. Can we get another Twins? Can we get another Twins? Oh. All right, that was that. Now here we go. And maybe nothing. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Darryl Strawberry. That's awesome. Darryl Strawberry. Donruss. Man, I collected these Donruss cards back in the day. These are all new, of course. All right. Carlos Santana. All right. Rookie. There we go. All right. Sterling Marti. Hoping to get something awesome out here. We will see. Logan Forsythe. Robinson Cano. Oop. See if we can actually. All right. Yasiel Puig. It's not going to get any Twins, I'm guessing. Ooh, look at that old school Carlton Fisk. Alright, that's cool right there. Alright. Well, I got some Twins. Like I said, $5 a pack plus 30 cards. Is definitely, for $20, it's not bad. You buy packs, spend, $5 plus another 30 cards. So the money's there. Like I said, this one just not exciting for me as the mystery box one was. And I thought this one would be the one that would be, the most exciting. But I think I found that the mystery boxes, they're a little better. But like I said, it wasn't bad. Money's there, definitely. But the excitement, the chase to get some cool hit or something, wasn't really there. Like I said, I got my Twins, but that's not why I'm buying it, to get Twins. If I wanted to get Twins, I just buy a Twins pack. If I wanted to get Vikings, I buy a Vikings pack. But there you go. As always, thanks for watching. Stay safe. So it's not bad, but it's not awesome like I thought it was going to be. But there you go. As always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next videos.